I tell you what, there's someone up there yanking my chain. And I'll tell you what, when I get up there, I shall have a few words to say about it. Why, hello. How the devil are we? Good. Well, this is a double test run. Because we have a new lid. So we're trying that out. So I'm also trying out the new camera position, which I think is probably looking up into space at the moment, and trying the wireless mic setup with it. I don't know. And for the first time ever, we are going to go and try Mrs. Icedidi on the back of the bike. So lots of good fun. So this is visor down. I don't know what the sound's like. I don't know what anything's like. I can tell you what, I had an absolute effing nightmare fitting the pin lock in this thing. I maintain that the pin lock they sent, that came in the box, is either A, one of the early ones, it doesn't fit properly because the cutouts weren't in quite the right place, they weren't deep enough, which meant that the pin lock itself didn't actually fit. There was a fold in it right near the pin. So what should have taken 10 minutes, take the visor out, pop the pin lock in, took 2 hours. And I can't tell you how many times I took this bloody pin lock insert in and out. Now, what makes me say that it's one of the early ones? Well, Derek's just bought the same helmet, and so I pre-warned him of my troubles, and his pin lock had a yellow cover cellophane on it, whereas mine was blue. The cutouts for his weren't equal on each side. One of them was much closer to the silicone bead, whereas mine were both the same each side. So I had to take to mine with a pair of nail clippers. So if it works, I'll be absolutely amazed. So much so that I've had to buy another bloody pin lock insert for the thick end of 45 quid, because the only place you can get them is from a French website by the looks of it. And I'll tell you what, the visor on this is supposed to just, you set it in a certain position and then it's just supposed to pull out. Well, I tell you what, I had some trouble with that as well. Okay, how's your hands, alright? Huh? Your hands okay? Yeah. I'm not coming to Manchester. No. Huh? Hey? Go to Tanith's? Okay. Shit. Great time to get cramp in the hip. Bastards. It's alright, I had cramp in my hip back there. I had cramp in my hip. Yes. Oh, good. It is taking a very long time. Oi, 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 what the fuck are you doing, you pricks? Well, that was a success. Albeit she found it hard to get on and off again. But it's just getting the knack, isn't it? So I put my camera away in my pocket because the rain was sort of spitting, it was starting, and then it stopped. So I just literally thought, right, I'll put the camera back on for the ride home. And what's it starting to do? Fucking rain. I tell you what, there's someone up there yanking my chain. And I'll tell you what, when I get up there, I shall have a few words to say about it. The poor bike's filthy. Now, I'm not concerned so much that it's filthy. It's more a case of it doesn't do it any good, does it? Be caked in crap. Or it doesn't feel like it'll do it any good. So it might have a quick rinse down, it might have a full wash yet. Well, it's not going to have a full detail, that's for sure. Mind you, I don't think I've ever owned anything that's had a full detail. Or not in the last 20 years anyway. You know, you're either a washer or you're not. And I fall in the middle. Makes no sense at all, does it? You're either one or the other, but I'm in between.